Unknown gunmen have set ablaze a house of one Eze Iriele in Ogberuru in Imo State. My own people, you are highly welcome back to Balaba Gist. Today na the first time they come across this wonderful channel. I beg may you no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, very very important, and go and follow this page. No be small thing o. The matter wey dey reach our hand now be say they dey ask a question. Say anybody explain this video for us wey dey go viral for internet right now. They say one Eze wey dem dey call Eze Iriele for Ogberuru, his Royal Highness Eze Iriele for Ogberuru, say they don set im house ablaze. Na information wey we dey get right now. And wetin transpire there we no know, but they say the people wey come na unknown gunmen. Na dem visit the man come set im house ablaze. And we are going to play you the video for you to watch it, and we'll come back and continue. So make you watch the video, make we see wetin happen for this man house.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
As you're talking, you say something.
Okay. This is the house of His Royal Highness Eziriel at Ogberuru, Orlu Imo State, where the hoodlums, those criminal bandits, came and they set his house ablaze. As you can see the damages. It's terrible. Oh. It's terrible. Imagine. Look at the damage. Look at. This is high level of wickedness. Look at the colossal damage. Look at the colossal damage. Some of the places are still on fire. There is still fire, as you can see. See fire. Look at the damage. Oh my God. Oh my God. Damages. What a wicked generation. Damages. Look at. At His Royal Highness Iriele at the in Orlu UGM, where these criminals, these unknown idiots, came and set his house ablaze. Imagine. This is the entrance. I guess. See. And, oh my God. As you can see. Fire is coming up. As you can see. Oh my God. Why our people so wicked? Why our people so wicked? Why? Why? Imagine the damages.
Hello my wonderful people, you're highly welcome back as I've watched that video and see a massive destruction in this particular house. How they visited this as a really His Royal Highness as a really of Orlu in Orlu. They see how they destroy everything in this particular house. No be small, this one total destruction. But what actually transpired there, him and the unknown gunmen is still unknown. We are still waiting for more information of what really happened, why this unknown gunmen visited this man and destroying his property like this. Okay, my people, now so we see more. May you leave your own contribution for comment section. We will move ahead, go look into the Ogbenge news where we get for hand today. Oh, this is what this thing is happening in Orlu. Okay, let's move and look into the next Ogbenge news where we get for hand. They say for Niger, don't accuse France, say they don't deploy some troops near their countries in order way to attack them. Now no be ECOWAS again. Now it's France want to come and do the operation by their own self. For person something know now they want kill and put to move go read them come outside. They talk am. They say Niger junta accuse France of deploying troops in neighboring countries for possible military intervention. This is na person property wey you dey steal since, and they tell you say okay now stop stealing our resources. Okay, you dey even steal and they give them 80 cents. Could you imagine? And they can now increase the price to 200 euros. And we are now coming back to intervene. If Africa allow this thing to happen, forget about this Jagaban of a thing is president of ECOWAS. If they allow this thing to happen, that means Africa is gone. This is the time that Africa need to wake up. They are the people that want to wake up. Other people that want to help, let them help them to wake up. Leave this useless that they will have what is it called itself. Okay, my people, maybe small thing, now so we see am for Niger. And now so we see am for Orlu. Now say we bring and come give una beg. If you are from Orlu and you are in this platform, you know who is this Eze Iriele. Please give us this information. If this video that trending now is currently what is happening, please give us more information about this particular video. We want to know what really happened in this place so that we analyze it more better to our fans as well. Okay, my people, abeg o, may you no forget to share this video and no forget to follow this page. No forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important, because we dey bring the information for you. Your own work na to follow our platform so that anywhere wey if you no see us for Facebook, you go find us for YouTube. So we always leave a link of our YouTube below all our videos on Facebook so that you will fit click am immediately go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next wonderful episode of this great channel.